Well, it's about 20 minutes till 2 in the morning, and I just got my taxes done. So I just wanted to pop on here and say that if you don't have anybody to do your taxes, I'm not volunteering. I'm just giving you the information I had. And that is, I used TurboTax. I am not affiliated with them. They don't give me a kickback. I don't have a coupon code, nothing like that. I'm just saying that don't be afraid to do your own taxes. When I was younger, I always did. I always did my own taxes. If you don't have very many like deductions and you don't have a lot of whole lot of stuff going on, you can do them yourself. It's a 1040 easy, and I don't know if they still call it that or not. But years ago, before computers came out, where everybody had one in their house, I used to do them over the telephone. And so don't be afraid to do that. Most of it's pretty straightforward. And I know there's other programs out there besides TurboTax. There's all kinds of them. And I read where you could even go to like irs.gov or something and file them for free. Do it. Do it. If it's, especially if you're single, if you are married and filing jointly or married filing separately, whatever, they've got things out there for you to understand this stuff. And a lot of it's just all kind of like self-explanatory nowadays. So I would just say, there's a woman on YouTube that I love. Her name is Nanny Skelly, and she's from Britain. And she always says, just give it a go. And so that's what I'm saying. Just give it a go. If it doesn't work out, then if it gets too frustrating, then, reach out to somebody that maybe knows what they're doing, or, go pay a bunch of money to have somebody else do them. But I always had a tax guy that did mine. Well, not always, because, when I was younger, I did them myself. And then one year, I went to H&R Block and I had to pay a ton of money. So a friend of mine turned me on to her tax guy who did his own business out of his home. And it was great, man. He did my taxes for years. And it was a lot less expensive than most places. I never paid $100 to have my taxes done. When he first started out, it was like, I don't know, $60. And it got up to about $80 and something like that, And I was glad to pay it. But I'm not paying no $200 to go let somebody do my taxes. When I bought my packet now I did get the TurboTax, but I know there's plenty of other brands out there. But I got mine at the old Sam's Club, for $44. And then to file my state cost me $10 or $10 and some change, because I got a $10 off. I think they're regularly $55 at Sam's, but they were having a sale and I got mine for $44. And then got the $10 off my state. Normally it would have cost $20, but it cost us $10. So anyway, as Nanny Skelly says, just give it a go. And if it gets too frustrating and too, stressful on you, then go get somebody else to do them. But at least try it. You'll be surprised. So basically, I got my taxes done this year for, if you count the $10, for that's $54 is what I got. And after all the change, it was actually $55 total. And that's state and federal e-file, which means I will get my income tax in just a matter of weeks. So I'm pretty daggone excited. So just thought I'd pop on here and say, if you've never done your own and your taxes are simple and you don't have to do long deductions and you don't have a bunch of IRAs and things like that, then just do them yourself. And, it shouldn't be too bad on you. And if you can't do them, then maybe you've got somebody in your family or your friends that can kind of help you out, walk you through it. Now, for me, it took me tonight about between 2 and 3 hours, about 2.5 hours. And that was after it downloaded on my computer. It took it forever to kind of get downloaded. But I've got an older, slow computer. So, and I bought the disc, to go into my computer. So if you did it online, it probably wouldn't take that long. But after I got it all downloaded on the computer, it took me, 2.5 hours. So, there you go. Give it a go. As Nanny Skelly says, give it a go and get your money back quick. And you don't have to pay out $200 or $300 to get somebody else to do it. All right. Well, you have a good day and just give it a go, as Nanny Skelly says. All right. See ya.